Ekabo, welcome to this exciting journey into the rich world of Yoruba language and culture. In this lesson, you'll learn the building blocks of the Yoruba language, its beautiful alphabet, and their unique sounds. So gather your family and friends and have some fun learning together. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about Yoruba language and traditions. Let's get started. The Yoruba alphabet is made up of 25 letters. It has 7 vowels and 18 consonants. It is similar to the English alphabet but without the letters C, Q, V, X, and Z. Let's have a look at the Yoruba alphabet, starting with A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, B, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. So those are the 25 letters of the Yoruba alphabet. What do you think? You will notice that we have 3 letters with the diacritical marks under them, E, O, and She, and 1 letter with 2 letters to form 1 sound, B. Isn't that special? The Yoruba alphabet has 7 vowels and 18 consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And then the remaining letters are the consonants. Now that you've seen the beauty of the Yoruba alphabet, it's time to practice and explore some more. If you enjoyed this presentation, hit that like button, share your favorite alphabet in the comment section, and subscribe for more lessons about Yoruba language and traditions. Ẹ ṣé, ó dàbọ̀.